on our way to Yorkeys Knob, and it's a bit cloudy. We just had a shower. Finally, the low pressure, cyclone Kimi is already gone, and it turned back into low pressure, and it's apparently heading back here in Cairns. So as you can see, it's very cloudy, and of course we just had a rain. We are going to swim in the ocean. It should not be cold because it's summer. The temperature is not cold, so it should be around maybe 28.
In the water.
Out
Of the water.
Yeah.
Yes, 28 degrees.
28 degrees. Be nice and warm.
25 actually.
Oh, 25. That's good. We got some sign in here. We gotta stay in between the flag. That is for our own safety. There's a crocodile and stingers here. Okay, yeah. Here we are going for a swim. Just finished showering, finished swimming, and then we went and had a shower, and we are now on our way to, we're already here, Yorkeys Knob, which is the Marina. Alrighty, so this is the Marina in here, and there's a restaurant over there. Just gonna find a parking spot, and yeah, we're gonna go and have a lunch. just having a burger. Alright, it's all good. I would like to invite you to subscribe into our channel and click that notification bell button next to the subscribe button. Don't forget to give us a like and leave us a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.